The American AI lab Poolside is back with another model, and this one is built specifically for coding. Meet Laguna S 2.1. Before we put it to the test, let's quickly review what this model brings to the table. Laguna S 2.1 is an open-weight mixture of experts model with 118 billion total parameters, but it activates only 8 billion parameters per token, making it extremely efficient. It uses 256 routed experts and 1 shared expert, supports an incredible 1 million token context window, and comes with built-in reasoning, tool calling, and function calling. The model is designed for agentic coding, terminal tasks, bug fixing, code generation, code refactoring, and long-horizon software engineering projects, making it one of Poolside's most capable coding models so far. The benchmark results are just as impressive. Laguna S 2.1 scored 702% on Terminal Bench 2.1 and 785% on SWE Bench Multilingual, outperforming several large open models, including NVIDIA, Nemotron 3 Ultra, DeepSeek V4 Pro Max, and Tencent HY3 across multiple coding evaluations. While frontier models like Claude Fable 5 and Kimi K3 still hold the lead overall, the fact that Laguna S 2.1 delivers this level of performance while activating only 8 billion parameters per token makes it one of the strongest and most efficient open-weight coding models available today. Now, if you want to try Laguna S 2.1 completely free, I've left 2 links in the description. The first one takes you to OpenRouter, where the model is currently available for free. Simply scroll down to the Quick Start section, click Create API Key, then click New API Key to generate your own key. This is useful if you plan to use Laguna S 2.1 in your own applications, coding projects, or AI workflows. If you just want to use the model without setting up an API, there's an even easier option. Open the second link in the description, which takes you to OpenCode. From there, you can either copy the terminal installation command or simply click the download button to install the desktop application directly. Once the download is complete, install OpenCode. The setup is very straightforward and only takes a minute. After launching the application, you'll notice that there's no sign-up or login required. Just click, choose model, and you'll see a collection of free AI models with generous usage limits. Since today's video is focused on Laguna S 2.1, that's the model we're going to select. Now it's finally time for the real test. I'm going to give Laguna S 2.1 a prompt to generate a modern landing page from scratch. Here's the prompt. Let's send it and see whether this new coding model actually lives up to all those impressive benchmark scores. At first, Laguna S 2.1 analyzed the prompt and generated a brief design concept before writing a single line of code. It explained the layout, color palette, typography, sections, and the overall structure it was planning to build. Once the planning phase was finished, it immediately started generating the code for the landing page. Since the generation process takes a little while, let's skip ahead and come back once it's finished so we don't waste any time.
2,000 years later.
Alright, the generation is finally complete. In total, Laguna S 2.1 wrote 1,296 lines of code for this landing page. Now let's take a look at the final result. First, I'll open the project folder, and here it is. As you can see, it generated a complete, dedicated landing page for the RTX 5090. Honestly, this looks really good. Right at the top, we have a clean hero section with a modern design. The graphics look like they're built using code-generated elements instead of copied assets, which is pretty impressive. It also added detailed sections explaining the GPU architecture, CUDA cores, memory bandwidth, and even the power consumption. As we scroll down, it includes dedicated sections for 4K gaming, AI inference, and 3D rendering, followed by a benchmark comparison showing RTX 5090 performance against the RTX 4090 and RTX 3090. Below that, it added a full specification section along with pricing information, making the landing page feel complete from top to bottom. Overall, I personally really like the result. The design is clean, the layout is well structured, and the amount of information it generated is impressive. For a single prompt, I'd say Laguna S 2.1 did a solid job. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more AI model reviews and hands-on testing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.